Today, I'm showing you how to check what Android version you have on your phone. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear icon, or find the Settings app in your app drawer and tap it to open. Step 2. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the menu. Step 3. Open About Phone or About Device. The exact wording varies by manufacturer. Tap on. Step 4. View Android version. In the About Phone section, you'll see detailed information about your device, including device name, processor information, RAM amount, storage capacity, and Android version. Look for the line that says Android version. This shows which Android version you're running. For example, you might see Android 14, Android 13, Android 12, or older versions. Additional information. You'll also see other useful details like security patch level, which shows when your last security update was installed, build number, kernel version, and model number. What do the numbers mean? Android versions are numbered. Higher numbers are newer. Older versions like Android 10 or 9 are outdated and may not receive security updates. Why check your Android version? Knowing your Android version helps you determine if apps are compatible with your phone, check if you're eligible for system updates, troubleshoot issues, and know which features are available on your device. And that's it. You now know exactly which Android version is running on your phone.